Kernel Zimbra Mailbox Backup tool saves the complete mailbox data present in the zipped and extracted folder to a safe PST format. It has a simpler user interface that has a linear approach to take the online mailbox's backup. First, to start the software you can go to Search section and type the name of the software, Kernel Zimbra Mailbox Backup. As soon as the software opens, a pop-up window appears in which you can access the TGZ, zip file, the extracted folder, or a single folder. After that, you can browse to the file location and load the file. After open the file, click OK option. On the left-hand side Zimbra TGZ database section, all the content present in various folders of Zimbra Mailbox will be listed and you can choose such items in those folders. After checking on an item, its preview will be shown too. The preview will be clear enough to see the contents details. After that, choose such folder whose backup you want to save in the PST and click Save option. In the new window, first, click on Browse option and select a safe destination folder for saving the PST file. After that, you can apply a date filter and also choose folders of the mailbox via category basis. At last, click Start Backup option. It will not take much time in saving the contents of the Zimbra mailbox in the PST file. After finishing the process, the software will show a successful message that the files are saved. You can click on the available link and go to the resultant PST file's location directly. To know more about the tool, you must visit the link given below in description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.